Okay, we are going to make a symmetrical pumpkin that is made with two pieces of construction paper, one 9 by 12, any color, and one 6 by 9. The first thing you need to do is you need to draw half of a pumpkin head. Starting right on the edge of the paper, you're going to draw your stem over a little bit, leave some space at the top, come down, and then you're going to make a large letter C, leaving a little space around the edge of the paper so that there's a border. Now, a half of a pumpkin head only has one eye. I'm going to put it right near the middle, and I'm going to make it big enough so it's easy for me to cut out. This one I'm going to make circle. If you try to hide it with your finger, and you can hide it, you made it much too small. So you want to make sure that it sticks out and it's nice and large. Then right on the very edge of the paper, you're going to draw the shape for your nose. I'm going to just use a triangle. Please also make that big enough that it will be seen from underneath your finger if you try to hide it. Then I'm going to make half of a mouth starting right on the very edge of the paper. Don't make it too complicated. I'll put one tooth in my mouth. Make it nice and big so that it is easy for you to cut out. Once you have this done, if you want me to check it, bring it up and I'll look at it to see whether you did it correctly. All right? If not, we'll make some corrections. Then you can come pick out your background paper from the shelf in front. The first thing you should cut is the outside of the pumpkin. If you accidentally miss the line, the pencil line, don't go back and trim it. We'll just erase any pencil line that shows when your project is done. So you're going to cut this out and then set the head aside. We're going to be gluing the background down next. So I'm going to take my red top glue. This glue does not open. It has a little button in the top so that if you press that button and it goes up and down, your glue will work. If you have a bad top, I'll replace it for you. You press down and squeeze, and you let little dots of glue out. Make sure you put enough glue so that your background will stick down. Get the corners and a few dots all along the edge. Now you're going to match the edge of the background with the edge of the paper. And then slide it till you get it in place and press it down. Okay, now what you need to do is to cut out your face of your pumpkin. The mouth and the nose will be easy because you can just start right from the edge and you can cut in. Notice that I'm turning the paper, not my scissors, when I cut. It might be easier to take your scissor out and cut in from the outside on the second half of the mouth. Remember, if I miss the pencil line, don't go back and cut it. We'll erase the pencil. Now I have a mouth. Please don't lose it. Now I'm going to cut out the nose. The eye might be trickier. If you bring it to me, I'll poke it with my scissor and get a little hole started so that you can snip out the eye. Very carefully. You want to don't not make it into more than one piece. Now I didn't get it exactly. There's still some pencil lines showing, but I can erase those. Now I'm going to be putting this on the opposite side of my pumpkin, but I don't know where to exactly put the eyes, nose, and mouth. I might get it in the wrong spot. So to make it perfect, if I place my face back in, but I don't glue it, then I'm going to know where the eyes, nose, and mouth belong. I can take my glue, I can put a dot of glue in, and I can fit my piece in, hold it down, and then make sure I didn't stick it down to the head. Then I can do the next one. I'll do my nose. Now I place my nose back in place. Make sure that the rest of your face doesn't stick down. Then I'll place it down again, and I'm going to place my mouth. A few dots of glue in the open spot. I'll place my mouth in. Now don't remove the head totally from its place, because if you do, you might not remember which side you put the glue on. You must put the glue on while the head is fit into place so that you get it on the correct side. So I'm going to put glue all over the back part of my head. Not on the eyes, nose, and mouth this time. And then I'm just going to very carefully open the head like it's a door, and I'm going to lay it into place so that the line of symmetry lines up with the pieces that I put in and the head. Now I'm going to press it down into place, and after it's stuck, I can take one of these nice big soft erasers and I can erase any pencil lines that I don't want to see. Okay, and please write your name on the front edge and whatever class you are in right here, and we'll hang them in the hallway. Have fun.